In this video, we'll show you how to set up your own domain instead of the default ositracker.com URL for your Stripe affiliate program. To do this, just log into your OSI admin account and click on Setup Software. Click on Use My Domain. And here you'll be able to enter your preferred domain for your Stripe affiliate program. So you can put partners dot your website address.com, and then before clicking on update, make sure to go to your or create a CNAME for partners. And in this example, if you have GoDaddy that's managing your domain, you can create a CNAME and then put partners there. And for the field that says points to, you can just go back to your OSI admin account and just copy this and paste it there. And then click on finish. So typically it takes 5 to 10 minutes for it to be reflected. And once that's done, just click on update. And that's how you use your custom domain with your Stripe affiliate program. Thanks for watching.